I'm gonna teach you how to make your perfect margarita. The basic proportions for margarita really go according to what's called a sour drink. That's a whole category of drinks. And it starts with 1.5 to 2 ounces of the base spirit. Obviously, in this case, it's gonna be tequila. And then about an ounce of something sour, lime juice, and then about an ounce of something sweet. Now that could be orange liqueur, it could be simple syrup, it could be agave syrup, or some combination thereof. So I'm gonna tell you how you're gonna choose what variety of each thing will best suit your taste. So let's start with the tequila. If you like really bright tasting margaritas, you're gonna want to go for a blanco or a silver tequila. That's the same category, blanco or silver. If you like something a little bit more mellow, reposado. If you want something that's super rich and you got deep pockets, then go for an añejo, but usually we don't mix those so much into a drink. Second thing would be the something sweet. And I like to put a little orange liqueur in mine. If I want to do something that is really orangey, I'll go for Cointreau. If I want something that is less punchy, I'll go with a typical Curacao or triple sec. If I want something that's deep and mellow, I'll go for an orange liqueur like Grand Marnier or Torres orange from Spain. Never skimp on the freshness of the lime juice. It's actually best just to squeeze those limes right before you're gonna make your margarita. Now, if you like a really tangy margarita, you'll wanna go a little bit more than that 1 ounce. If you like them a little bit more mellow, my suggestion is go to about 3/4 of an ounce. So I've got my 1 ounce here, which is perfect for me. And I'm gonna put that in a shaker that has some ice already in it. Now I'm gonna choose a Blanco tequila for today because I like Blanco tequilas. I like their brightness because they're completely unaged. And I'm gonna measure the 2 ounces of that and put that into the shaker as well. And then I'm gonna go for the Torres orange, the more brandy type of orange liqueur. And I'm only gonna put 1/2 ounce of that because it's pretty strong stuff. It's very mellow though. And I'm gonna combine that with a 1/2 ounce of agave syrup. Now these are the proportions I like. Standard sour drink, but you'll find exactly what you like. Okay, so I've got the top on it now and I'm gonna shake it. You shake it for a full 15 seconds. Why? Because you're trying to chill the drink, dilute the drink, and make it frothy. Okay, that's about it. I'm going to rim this beautiful glass with a little bit of lime juice to start with. And secondly, the coarse salt. Make sure I get it all the way around. Set that down, take the top off, and in goes this beautiful, frothy margarita. Salud.